Hi guys! Today, we are here at Sinaloa Factory located in Danforth, a restaurant that will transport us to the beautiful city of Culiac in Sinaloa, Mexico. Through their delicious typical dishes, they specialize in the preparation of dishes that stand out for the flavor and freshness of its seafood, which is the main ingredient in Sinaloa's cuisine. It's my first time to dine here and I'm excited to try some of their food.
Chicken, beef.
What is this dipping sauce?
Just beef.
En México chili son tacos.
This is shrimp.
Oh, perdón, pues okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes, because you tell him if he don't like it, no pay. They is his word.
Let's try this chavo mango drink, guys. Delicious. Cheers.
You drink.
No, tienes que probar.
Tampoco debes darle sal.
Aquí no se sal.
Pero no te puedes acercar a tomar de la foto.
Barbecue.
Ellos se ponen, ¿quieres darles?
Pero si quieres tomar una foto con él, porque
Tamarind.
This Campacana guys or seafood cocktail have a great flavor and great for sharing. And since it's a Mexican restaurant, we have to order and try some tacos.
Ya, lo voy a traer así, güey. Los que van a gustar este
Since I checked the menu, I got interested in trying this Serendetto
Spicy?
octopus, which is worth 69.95 Canadian dollars. This octopus is grilled in Serendetto sauce and comes with a side of buttered rice and salad.
Kumakain pa rin siya. Hindi rin siya kaloyan.
Drama.
They liked the beef tacos, so we ordered more for a total of 9 tacos.
Cheers.
While Sweat Blaze is having fun after dinner, we got all surprised with this.
Congratulations from the family, Sinaloa Factory. ¡Viva México, cabrones!
Cheers.
Nasa
again. Last part, very nice one.
Now time for dessert.